Hi there, this is Kendall from Sager Family Farm, and today I wanted to show you how to make lip balm using beeswax and a few other simple ingredients. If you want to see my farm videos every week, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. To make 5 tubes of lip balm, I use 1/4 ounce of beeswax by weight, 1 1/2 tablespoons of a carrier oil. My favorite is almond oil, but you can also use coconut oil or many other oils that you might use for cooking. Those are the only 2 required ingredients. I also like to add 3 drops of vitamin E oil because it's a great moisturizer and a natural preservative to keep the oils fresh. If you like, you can also add a scent. If I'm using an essential oil, I use 3 drops, and if I'm using a flavor oil, I use 7 drops. Not all essential oils or flavor oils are safe for lip balm, so make sure you check that it's safe for use on lips. You'll also need a small pot, a bowl that fits on top of the pot without touching the bottom, lip balm tubes, a pipette, a small whisk, and measuring spoons to measure your carrier oil. You can find all of these tools and ingredients on Amazon. I've also got links to the suppliers I use in the description below. To get started, fill your pot with about 1 inch of water. Turn your stove on low or simmer. The goal is to get your water just to steaming, not even bubbling. We don't want our ingredients to get too hot. Wax and oil are flammable, so be careful and don't leave your mix unattended. When the water is steaming, put your bowl on your pot. Put the 1/4 ounce of beeswax into the bowl and wait for it to melt. At the low temperature we're using, this could take a few minutes. When the wax is melted, I add my carrier oil. I'm adding 1 1/2 tablespoons of almond oil. This is the equivalent of 4 1/2 teaspoons. Mix your ingredients with your whisk. If you want to add vitamin E oil, you can do that now. Cut off the tip of the gel cap and squeeze the vitamin E oil into the bowl. Last, I add the scent. I'm adding 7 drops of pumpkin spice scent. If you're using one of my lip balm kits, the scent is already mixed into the carrier oil, so you don't have to add any extra. Mix everything one last time and then set up your lip balm tubes. I take the lids off of all of my lip balm tubes and set them on the counter. Now you can use your pipette to fill them. Squeeze the bulb of your pipette, then release. This will suck the lip balm up into the pipette. Make sure to keep the tip of the pipette pointed down. If you flip it up, the air bubble inside will move and spill your lip balm out. Carefully move your pipette over to your lip balm tubes and squeeze the bulb to fill the tubes. I like to fill them all the way up to the top to make them look clean and professional. I don't pick the tubes up when I'm filling them because I tend to spill them. Wait a few minutes for your lip balm to cool. You want it to turn from a transparent liquid to an opaque solid. Now you can put your caps on and label. I use labels with a safety tab. There's a thin perforated line on the tab that you want to get right where the cap meets the tube. Then roll the label around the rest of the tube. To clean up, I like to wipe everything down with a paper towel so that I'm not putting wax and oil down my sink. It's that easy to make your own beeswax-based lip balm. Let me know how yours turns out in the comments below. See you next time on the farm.